Obama to keynote at Democratic Convention highlighting Kamala Harris' legacy. Former President Barack Obama will deliver the keynote address at the Democratic National Convention in Chicago. Marking 20 years since his debut on the national stage, Obama's speech will emphasize the historic nature of Vice President Kamala Harris' candidacy as the first female of color to lead a major party ticket. Obama, who has supported Harris' political career since her early days, aims to energize voters about her potential presidency. David Plouffe, Obama's 2008 campaign manager, noted that Obama seeks to underscore the stakes of the election and rally support for Harris. Obama's endorsement follows his long history of backing Harris through significant political milestones, including her Senate run in 2016 and her current presidential campaign.
Japan should keep prices moving, says PM hopeful Kato. In potential campaign news from Japan, Katsunobu Kato, a candidate for the next prime minister, has emphasized the need to keep interest rates and prices moving. Speaking to Bloomberg on Tuesday, Kato highlighted the detrimental effects of stagnant rates and prices over recent years. While acknowledging the current market turmoil, he stressed the inevitability of heading towards a more dynamic economic environment. Kato's comments signal a potential shift in Japan's economic strategy, emphasizing the importance of overcoming the stagnation that has been damaging the economy.
Asian markets decline amid Chinese tech stocks slump. In Asian markets, stocks broke a three-day winning streak, reflecting a pause in Wall Street's rally. Equity benchmarks fell in Hong Kong, Tokyo, and Seoul as investors anticipate U.S. payrolls data and Federal Reserve minutes for insights on potential interest rate cuts. Chinese stocks in Hong Kong dropped up to 2%, driven by concerns over the consumption outlook and negative earnings reports from key tech players like Kuaishou Technology. Additionally, Walmart's planned sale of its stake in JD.com Inc. contributed to the decline. Despite this, contracts for U.S. and European shares showed minor gains. Reporting by Winnie Xu for Bloomberg News.
Japanese investors cautiously return to high-yielding currencies. Japanese individual investors are slowly re-entering the market for high-yielding currencies, such as the Mexican peso and Turkish lira, amid a pause in the yen's surge. Data from the Tokyo Financial Exchange's Click 365 platform shows net short positions in the yen against these currencies have recovered to levels last seen on August 2. Specifically, positions betting on the yen's drop versus the peso rebounded 19% to 67,808 contracts from August 5, when positions dramatically sank by 47% in one day following a significant yen surge at the start of the month. According to traders like Iguchi, Japanese investors' wounds have healed, reflecting a cautious return to these higher-yield bets.
OpenAI introduces customization feature for GPT-4o model to attract corporate clients. In a bid to capture the competitive corporate AI market, OpenAI has announced a new feature allowing businesses to tailor its powerful GPT-4o model with their own data. This strategic move, unveiled by OpenAI on August 21, 2024, seeks to help companies showcase return on investment in AI technologies amidst increasing market pressure. The initiative underscores the intensifying race among startups to provide superior AI solutions for business applications.
EU plans 9% tariff on Tesla cars imported from China amid subsidy probe. The European Union announced plans on Tuesday to introduce a 9% tariff on Tesla vehicles imported from China. This move is part of a broader strategy to counteract subsidies provided by Beijing to the electric vehicle industry. EU officials disclosed the draft decision ahead of a member state vote, scheduled by November. The new tariffs, if passed, would be in effect for 5 years. Tesla's rate is less severe compared to other automakers like SAIC Motor Corp. And Geely, who face tariffs as high as 36.3%. The decision comes after Beijing was found to offer fewer subsidies to foreign-owned companies like Tesla. Elon Musk's company requested an individual assessment and was granted this, leading to the tariff determination announced. U.S. Tesla shares rose by 0.8% following the news. The EU and China continue talks to find a WTO-compliant solution, as China has threatened retaliation. The deadline for comments and hearing requests on the proposal is August 30th, with a final decision expected by October 30th.
Amazon's AI spending plans impact stock performance. In a shift back to investment mode, Amazon.com Inc. is prioritizing spending on artificial intelligence, impacting its stock performance. Since its earnings report in early August, Amazon shares have lagged behind other mega-cap tech stocks. The company's pivot follows a period of cost-cutting which had previously boosted its profits and stock value. By focusing on AI, Amazon aims to stay competitive, but this shift comes at the expense of short-term profitability. Reporting for Bloomberg, Carmen Reinecke notes the market's reaction to Amazon's spending strategy. This move underscores the tension between immediate financial results and long-term technological investments.